Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add languages that you don't want translation offers for in Facebook on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile icon. Step 3. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. From the left menu, select Language and Region. Step 6. Click on Edit next to languages you don't want to be offered translations for. Step 7. Enter the desired languages and click on Save Changes. That's it. You've successfully added languages that you don't want translation offers for in Facebook on your PC. Now you can navigate through your feed without any unwanted translations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.